Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Nowadays we are learning about variables and constants, and today we are going to look into the type of variables and constant. We'll put this class in three parts. First, the type of data. We in real life we always talk about different type of data. The date is a data. Today's date, that's a data. My name, that's another data. Everything that you see around has a data, but it also has a data type. For example, when you talk about today's date, it is a date and time. When you talk about name, it is a set of characters. How much money I have in my pocket, that's a number. If I have dollar and cents, that's a fraction. If I ask you what percentage of marks did you get it, and you say 97.5, that's a fraction. It's a number, but it's a fraction. But if I say your year of birth or what's the year now, you will say 2022, that's a whole number. Did you eat today? Yes or no. Are you hungry? Yes or no. As you can see, all this data has a type. Yes and no is different than date and time, or it is different than a number. As I said, number can also be a fraction, or it can be a whole number. So every data has a data type. That's what I refer when you say whole number, fraction, true or false, date and time. All these are type of the data. Now, the second important part is, why do we care about type of the data? In the computing world, everything goes back to memory. When you write or declare a variable, we are allocating memory. As you remember my example of a hotel, when you say that we have when we say x equal to 10, remember in a hotel we create a room called x, and that 10 lives inside. Now for us 10 matters, but for computer, whether it's a 10 or 20, it doesn't matter. What really matters is, what should be the size of this memory? Should it be a big room, or should it be a small room, really small room, right? Because memory is limited. So computer have to manage and optimize the use of memory so that it can efficiently run your program. Now that's why data type is important. Based on the data type, size of the room is decided. So for us, when you say x equal to 10, it may be a small, because it's just a whole number, maybe a small room. If I say, did I eat? Hungry equal to, am I hungry? Equal to true. If I say, yes, I'm hungry, then maybe a very small room, because it is just either true or false. Because this value or the data type of this is what we refer in computer programming as Boolean. This is a whole number, right? So as you see, for computer, the data type is important. You can put any data inside as long as it matches with the data type you declared. Memory cares for the data type. Now, third part is the type of data, the different type of data types, right? The first one is, as I said, what we refer as integers. That means it's a whole number. Some of these examples of integer you can say, and it can be positive or negative. Similarly, the broad word for the fraction is real. In Java, you have two different type of reals. One is double, where you require a lot of precision after the decimal, or float. Both are two different data types. Real, both are referred as real. Then Boolean is always true and false. As I said, are you hungry? Did you wake up on time today? Are you going to do exercise? The answer of these questions is always yes or no, and you refer as Boolean. Then another data type is what we call it char, or character in Java. When you say char is nothing but a letter like A or A. These are the chars. A group of chars or group of characters we refer as string. That's another data type. So when you say string, if you say string X equal to, and you say Java, it's made of 4 letters, JAVA, and all these 4 letters together is a group of characters is referred as a string. And we will use a lot of string manipulation. We'll learn more about it. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next class. Happy learning. Bye-bye.